Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Got a new video for you today. I'm taking a look at the iCUE LS100 by Corsair. This is probably pointless, and I'm probably gonna get, a lot of hoping to get comments in the comment section, but anyway, yeah. This is RGB lighting for behind the monitor. This is supposed to enhance the gaming experience and just make your overall setup look real blingy with RGB. It's supposed to, I think, plug into the USB or something like that, and then yeah, it's immersive ambient RGB lighting, synchronized lighting with games and media. Powerful iCUE software includes 2 long strips 450 millimeters long and 2 short strips 250 millimeters long with 84 total RGB LEDs, built-in light diffusion, and easy and secure magnetic installation. So we're going to find out how easy the installation can actually be. So let's crack this puppy open. This is not an unboxing. I just haven't had a chance to open it yet. But we're going to see what's inside, and then we're going to hook it up, and I'm going to show it off and let you guys know what I think about it. And before I get going too far on this, you guys mind doing me a big favor? Get down and hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so you get notified when I upload a future video. That way I can continue to grow my channel to where eventually I can get sponsors to send me stuff to review, so I don't have to keep buying this stuff because I'm going broke. So even though I enjoy the hell out of it, I'd happily go broke with technology, but alright. Real simple to crack it open. See what we got in the box. Some kind of a... Oh, this has got to be the controller box. Okay. So, let's get this little... Yeah. This will be the control box so you can mount to your desk or the back of your monitor or something like that. But yeah, it's got the micro USB cable hookup on this side. It's got a single button for you to probably go scrolling through. It's got a power jack, and then of course the 2 connectors for the light strips. So it's kind of like the internal strips, just there's got to be your boxes of accessories and the light strips. Let's see how good a quality these things are. Oh, and an instruction booklet. Thick book, but I guarantee it's only like a few pages in English, as they are definitely covering their hindquarters with foreign languages. So the other thing I'm curious about is it says it's easy magnetic installation. Like, what are you supposed to do? Stick magnets to the back of your monitor and then stick these on or something? So I figured, you know what? Rather than just do either an unboxing and just talk about this, or go through the installation and then talk about it, I figured, what the hell, let me do a combination of all of it. So far, yeah, it's really good quality. So yeah, kind of rubbery, real flexible, so you could make curves out of it and stuff. In fact, I'm putting it on the back of my monitor. I'm gonna just kind of straighten it out. I got an ultra wide, so I'll have the 2 long strips, one on top, one on bottom, and then yep, that's just long enough for the height of the monitor. So let's take a quick look, see what's in this box. I believe that's all the... Okay, so we got our cables, our little magnets that, yep, okay. Yeah, little magnets that, yep. So yeah, you stick the little magnets onto the back of your monitor or wherever you're going to have these mounted, and then that way you can pop them off, pop them back on. And then there's little cable clips So, and then of course they give you a USB A to micro USB connector for the control box. And so let's see what's in this box. Oh, your power brick. Okay. Yep. Alright. So that way you can power the whole thing. See how long a cable they give you. Come on. Get long enough freaking... There we go. Alright. A decent length cable. So... yeah, I'll have to try to figure out a space to plug that into my power strip. But, now let's just take a quick look. It's not a polarized plug. So, let's see. Plug that into there. Let's see what happens when you do this. Ooh, okay, so you don't even have to have it, you don't even have to have it plugged in to the USB, and it'll still light up. Oh, okay, that just simply turns it on or off. Okay. Well, that'll be convenient. I can just mount it to the back of the monitor and daisy chain. That's a nice thing about Corsair, even though they give you a crap ton of cables. Alright, so let's get the USB cable out, plug that into my USB, and see what happens with the Corsair lighting, or the Corsair software. Plug it in. Okay. Ooh, ultra-wide monitor mode. Oh. Okay, so there we go. Okay, so I'm an idiot. There we go. Yeah, so I've got an ultra wide, so I'll do an ultra wide. Oh, here we go. Disable instant lighting. And there we got our RGB. So now we can play around with that rainbow wave. Oh, let's try sequential. There we go. Hey. Oh, it's kind of a chase effect. Okay, yeah, cool. Alright, I'm going to pause. I'm going to get this monitor off of here. And go back to the white instant lighting for now. Unhookify that. Huh. Interesting. Okay, so I will be back. I'm going to get this mounted on the back of my monitor, and then I'll come back and show you the effect. So, that is weird. Okay. Power off. Something I'm noticing with these, I was going to just install it, get it back on the, get it all set up, and call it a day, and show you guys all the cool stuff you can do with it. But I got thinking about it as I was putting it together. Figured I'd show you a little something I found out. Your instinct is going to be on how, to want to mount this so that the light diffuser is facing away from the monitor, basically, so that way it glows all around. The little magnets they give you don't stick worth a damn to the edges. So they basically are saying they want you to put it on the very end, so that way it's basically pointing away from the monitor, between, you know, so that it's shining on the wall behind your monitor. So figured I'd point that out. So basically they have you mount, and the beauty part is that when you stick the little controller box on, you peel the backing off the little magnets, and then of course the controller can come off when you need, and then stick back onto the little magnets. So go ahead, stick all the little magnets on the strips before you peel the little backing off. So this way, once you peel the backing off and you go to line it up on the back of your monitor. Another thing I noticed, okay, see how it's got, alright, let me show you on one I didn't stick the shit to. Alright, see how it's got here, 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 and here? The little magnets they give you, they don't stick to the ends. See? They don't stick to these, they only stick right there. So, I guess they're expecting you to have it just, you know, these be enough and not to have to worry about the ends. So, I'm guessing that's the theory. So, just keep that in mind. But yeah, I'm suggesting here, stick all the little magnets on, mock it up on your monitor before you peel the backing off and start sticking this stuff. Okay, so you want the lengthier sides to be along the widest part of your monitor, and you want the shorter ones to go along the sides of your monitor. Honestly, you can do it however you want, but if you want it to be the best, that's the way to do it, because then it kind of works out with the software a little more appropriately doing it that way. So I'm going to go ahead, stick these on, because it's just a matter of peeling the backing off and then just setting it on the monitor and then, you know, plugging it in. You know, basically what I did with the controller is I plugged in the one cable into the controller and figured out where I was going to have my lighting run, and that was how I decided to, you know, where to stick the controller. So I'm going to leave that actually plugged in. That'll make life a little easier for when I go to flip it around and stick it in place. So now I'm going to let you go, come back once I got all this done. Okay guys, the only way I can effectively show this, the way I've got everything all set up right now, is to have all the lights off and be behind the camera to film. So, but to give you guys a few ideas of what the software is like and what the lighting effects are, let's go into now there is a cool effect. You go into here to fireplace, and it looks like there's a fireplace behind the monitor. You can just kind of make it out in the camera. Again, I have to have the lights all the way off. There's also the Borealis, that's kind of cool. It's supposed to mimic the northern lights, or the Aurora Borealis. So, but yeah, just about all the lighting that bumped the camera, great. Yeah, about all the lighting you can think of. You got static color. You can just pretty much, you know, choose whatever color you want. And of course, solid. It's not really doing anything, but gradient, it's not doing anything. Alright, yeah, well. That sends color around. But it's supposed to be a way to do video lighting. You have to choose your monitor. I got 2 monitors, so I had to go with monitor 1. Now if you set it to audio lighting, then let's say for example we pull up YouTube, and we'll pull up one of my wife's videos.
Hi people, I'm Beast Woman and we're playing.
So the lights will flicker to the sound.
I have not tried this game even though I've had it for a while. But it looked like fun because, I mean, who doesn't want to pretend like they're a thief once in a while?
Yeah. So, I'll be right back. So there you guys have it. Did the best I could to show off this lighting. Honestly, I wish it was a little bit brighter. I mean, I had the lights completely off with the camera pointing at it. And yeah, there's some lighting effects, nice and bright. Others, not so much. And of course, I can't figure out for some reason why the video is not working. I can't really get into showing like Netflix or something because I don't want to get, you know, copyright claimed or copyright striked. And I can't really show you music. That's why I went to one of my wife's videos, which everybody ought to check her out. Ms. M Gaming, I believe is what her channel is on YouTube. She got some really good stuff on there, but I digress. So yeah, that's been a look at the iCUE LS100 by Corsair. Monitor, background monitor lighting, whatever you want to call it. Smart lighting strip starter kit. So, and I guess from what I could tell, you can because I'm only using the one channel. There's also you know, a second hookup. So if I wanted to, I could get a light strip for around my second monitor, or those tall LED light bars that Corsair makes. Would I recommend this product? Yeah, I don't know. If you want pointless RGB lighting because you really like that, yeah, go for it. It's not necessary. It's just if you really want a lot of color lighting, you know, it's kind of cool. It is pricey. I think it's like over $100. I think when I bought this, it was $100. It was originally over $120 or something like that. Because my wife works at Best Buy, I was able to get it, you know, from Best Buy. But yeah, it's pricey. It's pointless, but it's fun. So if you like fun RGB lighting, yeah, have at it. This is kind of cool. Especially that fireplace effect. That was really cool. And the Borealis, I like that. I think I'm going to leave it on the fireplace for a while. Again, I wish it was a little brighter. Because, I mean, with the lights all on, I could barely see it. So, but, yeah. Like, share, subscribe, comment down below if you thought this was just as pointless as I did. So, and, see you guys in the next video.